Yeah, all those lights working. I fixed the 3 pillars. 1, 2, 3. Let me lock up right here. Your bar is working. Those 2 TVs are not working because we need a new HDMI switch. If you look at all my lights, everything that's turning red, green, and blue is working correctly. My pillars are working correctly, and my 2 scanners right here in the front are working correctly. Red, green, blue. Oh, I'm sorry, red, blue. There we get it. All right, when we go inside, you see the ceiling, green, and the four mirrors are turning blue, plus the ceiling, green, red. Look at the chairs under those, blue, green, red. Look at my bar, plus the 2 TVs are working now. I connected them to the right wires. Everything's working correctly. The 2 TVs and my pillars and the under the bar. Look at the under bar as well. Under the bar is blue, sorry, red, green, sorry, blue, green, red, blue, green. All the bars are working correctly. Both TVs are working fine. My mirror over here is working fine. Under the chair is working good over here. Alright, when you go up to the pillars, you look on the floor and you look at the top. Everything's turning red, green, and blue. Everything's working fine. I also got the 2 new motors up. These 2 are working fine as well. Red, green, red, blue. Green, red, blue. Green, red, blue. Everything I have installed is working perfectly fine. Also the hi-hats are working fine. Red, blue, green, red. There you go. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate it. Another Walter installation. Just kidding. Peace.